guys, if you want to learn how to make some delicious red wine ribs, keep watching. What up, fam bam? How are you doing? This is Modernly Kitchen, giving you the keys to keep your kitchen blessed with no stress. We have a wonderful recipe for you all today. It's going to be super delicious, super savory, and super easy to do.
Babe, tell them what it is.
Today we have some braised red wine ribs with a roasted garlic, brown butter, mashed potato. This recipe is pretty much versatile towards any climate, but usually people like to braise in the winter time, but we're doing something different today.
We're gonna change it up a little bit.
Yes.
So if you're looking for a good dinner recipe, this is gonna be something that's gonna fill you up real good. Make sure you stay tuned. Before we get to the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. Also, follow us on Instagram at Kirsty Rooks, Izzy Lee Media, so you can stay up to date with what Modern Lee Kitchen does outside the kitchen. But enough all that talk. I'm hungry. You hungry?
I could eat.
Let's get to the food.
All right, here are our ingredients. So you're gonna start off by seasoning them with salt, pepper, and our seasoned combo. Rub them down, flip, and continue the process. Now you're gonna heat up some oil on high heat, and then you're gonna coat in just flour, and then place them in. Turn them when they're nice and brown. I'm talking like 5 minutes. You want a nice sear. Then you're gonna take them out, add some more oil, and then put in your celery and onion. Cover for 2 to 4 minutes. And now you're gonna uncover the pot, add in your garlic, give it a good stir. You could also season here and add some wine. I used a Cabernet. I didn't use too much, and then just fill the rest with water. You don't want to cover your ribs too much. You just want them submerged. And you can just toss them in. If you'd like a little more liquid than that, feel free to put some more in. But not cover. You don't want it to be like a stew. You want to just braise it. Then cover it with a tight lid and put it into the oven. This is going to bake for about 2 hours. Now, we're going to start on the potatoes. Rinse them really good. Salt your water, bring to a boil, and then you can just cube them up and put them in. Cover with a lid and cook till they're tender. While it's tender, you're gonna brown your butter, add in your heavy cream, your garlic, your sea salt, and then you're gonna strain the potatoes while it's still simmering. You make sure all the ingredients are hot. The best potatoes have all warm or hot ingredients. Like the butter should be at room temperature, but for this sake, we had it hot. So you're just gonna add to your liking until you get the consistency. Now, a secret is whipping your potatoes and then taste test, see if you need a little more salt. Now for this cabbage, you're just gonna slice these cabbages, make sure they're intact. You're gonna oil them up, and then you're just gonna season them with whatever you like. I used sea salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, sage, just a little on top. And then put them in the oven for roasting. And now the ribs are done. They're tender, juicy, and just so delicious. And then the cabbage, it came out a little crispy, but I like it crispy. And then you put it all together, and this is what you get. This delicious, glorious dish, so decadent and yummy.
We're back. Wasn't that easy to do?
That was delicious. I know we didn't film like the part of us eating it, but boy.
Woo! Those potatoes were so good.
She added a little bit more liquid side to it, so it made the potatoes a little bit, slightly bit more runny. For this particular recipe, it's like just perfect.
Flavors just meld together with the ribs, and I'm really proud of it. So
we can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Definitely leave us a comment down below, and love to see like you guys' creation. Follow us on Instagram at Kirsty Rooks, Izzy Lee Media. Mainly Kirsty because she has most of the food though. Send us some of your best renditions of our recipes. We would love to see that type of stuff.
Keep us engaged because we want to see. All right, this has been Modernly Kitchen, giving you the keys to keep your kitchen blessed with no stress. Have a nice one.